Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gitika Arya. So in today's video, I am going to show you my Amazon decor haul. You must be thinking that why I am wearing this night suit in the video, because in the lockdown I am just purchasing night suits, so I thought I should make this video in my night suit only. And also shout out to two new YouTube channels. One is the Freaky Gamers and it's about the gaming. If you're interested in gaming channels, then just check this out. Another is the Divine Style. It's about beauty, skincare routine, and these two channels are very new, but if you like these, please support and subscribe to these channels. So without a further ado, let's start the video. So first product are these flowers. These are the hanging flowers, so you have to put these flowers in any basket or something and they will hang like these. This is Four Walls brand and I really like this brand. Earlier also I bought an artificial plant from this brand, so for the artificial plant this brand is very good, and I will give all the links of all the products in the description box below, and all the products are of reasonable price because even I don't like to spend much on the home decor product. Next product is this hanging, and I really like this hanging. I hope you are able to see. Welcome to our home, comfortable, happy, sometimes loud, usually messy, full of love. And I really like this hanging. I got this around 1200 bucks, and I searched such hangings on Instagram also, but they were quite pricey, and on Amazon I got this at reasonable price. If you like such hangings, just go with it. Next thing is another artificial plant, again from the same brand, Four Walls brand. Actually at so many places in our house there is not enough sunlight, so for those areas I like to buy these artificial plants, because obviously plant makes your house instantly beautiful. So if you are interested in artificial plants, go check out this brand. Then these are the macrame hangings. Actually these are for the pots, so you can put your pot here and you can just hang these plants. Actually I got this way back, but I loved it so much, so I thought I should share this product also with you guys. And it was a set of 3, so these are so cute and they look very stylish. Then another thing is I got these 5 cushion covers. They are of the Arrow Heaven brand, and this brand is quite cheap and their quality is very good. This is the second set of cushion covers which I have bought from this brand, and I really like these. They have some ethnic vibe. They have really pretty prints. If you can see, they have really pretty prints, and I think whole set was around 500 rupees. These are of 16 by 16 size. Then next thing is, you must have seen this in my previous video also, this set of 5 cushion covers. They have a pretty kantha work also. Actually these are sold out, and these were also I think 500 or 550 rupees, but I will give the link of the similar products. These are of 18 into 18 inch size and they are very cheap. Quality is very good. I really love these cushion covers. Then I got these frames. These are 8 by 10 inches. I got these 6 set of frames and they were around I think 800 rupees. And what I really like, I want such frames which has a space between the photograph and the outer frame. This kind of space I wanted. Finally I found these frames on Amazon and I really love them. And they have this thing for the hanging, and you can also change the place of this. Like you can fit it here also, or you can fit it here. If you want to hang it vertically, then you can fit this piece here, and if you want to hang it horizontally, then you can just change its position and place it here. And they're also a good size. I don't like very small frames, because in the very small frames those are not quite visible, so I wanted big frames in which I can have a big size of photographs so that they look good and stylish also. So yeah, definitely go with these frames. I loved them. Another thing, these pretty butterflies, they have magnets behind them, so I got a set of I think 10 or 12 butterflies, and you can just put them on your almiras or your refrigerators, and they are very cute. I really like these. Okay, next thing is the cushions. I love cushions, and so many times it's very difficult to decide which cushions to buy from online site, but these are really good. These are JDX brand, and this is 16 by 16 inches size, and I really like these. They are very fluffy, they are of good quality, and they were cheap also. I don't remember the actual rate, but again I will give the link so you can check these out. This is one of my favorite piece. It's having a very simple quotations or wordings kind of thing, but the way it has been written, it looks very stunning, very stylish, and I love white and black combinations, so I think it looks lovely. And if you have a wall, like dark colored wall, like blue or yellow or anything other than white, then it would look amazing on it. If you want to hang some simple painting or some simple quotation kind of thing somewhere, then definitely go with it. I really loved it. Then another thing is this cushion. I have not opened it, and I got these 3 sets of these cushions. I think 5 cushions for each set, and they are of 18 into 18 inches, and they are also very good quality. This is one of them only, and I got them at very good price. For this size of cushion, the price was really good. Then another thing, we got these wall mounted lights. We got a pair of these lights. It was around, I think, 6.99 for a pair, and I think that is very cheap, and it looks really stylish. In my coming videos, I am going to show you how I style these lights. And for these lights, I always use Edison LED bulbs, not the normal bulbs, and the yellow light looks so pretty. For such lamps, for lights, yellow light is best. So don't go for the tungsten bulbs, go for the yellow LED bulbs. Then this piece, so this piece I got from Westside. This was not from Amazon, and this I got, I think, 4-5 months back. I don't remember exactly, but I loved it so much, and this was of 700 rupees. It's very cute, it's very pretty. Planning to add some flowers or hanging leaves in it and just put it somewhere, and I think it will look so bohemian, so cute. I don't know finally how I'm going to style it, but I really like this product, and it's from Westside, so you can buy this also. Then another thing which I got from Amazon is this divan set. It's having 2 bolster covers. These are the bolster covers, and I really like these frills kind of thing. And these are the cushion covers, and again this frilly thing going on here. I loved it, and it's of cotton. It's very smooth, very good in quality. Plain bed sheet with this print, with this white print, and 5 cushion covers and 2 bolster covers. I loved it. I got it around, I think, 1000 rupees. And then some of the products which I have shown you in the earlier video, I'm also going to give a little review about them also, because so many of you were interested in those products. So one of the product was my carpet, and it was a mix of cotton and jute, and it's very comfortable. It was around 4500 rupees, I guess. Its size is very good. It's 9 into 6 feet, and this size of carpet in 4500 rupees is really a good bargain. And till now I'm just loving this carpet. It does not shed any jute fiber. It's very comfortable, and it's not very rough also. We never sit on sofa, we always sit on that carpet. It's so comfortable because it's dusty color, so it's very easy to maintain also. I would definitely recommend you to go for it. If you want to add a neutral carpet, then definitely go with it. I purchased 3-4 carpets, then finally I decided to keep this carpet. Then the next thing which I got is a vintage lamp, and I have shown you this earlier also. And there is a Banjara market in Gurgaon. If you are from NCR region, then you must know about it. There I saw a similar lamp like this, and it was half of the size of this lamp, and the person there quoted it for 3000 or 4000 rupees, and I got it online around 2500 rupees. And I think this is an amazing bargain, and I loved vintage things. And another thing we got is this painting. This is such a beautiful painting. I love abstract paintings, and the colors of the painting are going with the theme of the room also. And obviously before this painting, I searched so many online sites, and finally I got this painting. The size was perfect according to my need. It was reasonable also. So if you want a painting in this color theme, then I would definitely suggest to go for this painting. I have become a huge fan of this brand. Then another thing is this bookshelf which I got from Amazon recently, and I saw the same bookshelf on a furniture showroom here, and they were quoting around 5500 rupees for this, and I got it from Amazon in around 3500 rupees. If you want a small bookshelf which don't occupy much space and also act as a decor piece to your house, then definitely go with this bookshelf. Next thing we got is our swing, and everyone was asking on my previous video that how much weight does it carry. So according to the description of the brand, it carries 100 kgs of weight, but according to my experience, I think it can carry 70 to 75 kgs of weight very comfortably. So we can easily use it, and it's very comfortable. I really liked it, and it was not very pricey also. I think I got it for 1200 or 1300 rupees. So next thing is the coffee table, which we also got from Amazon, and I really love this piece. But frankly speaking, when we received this table, and it's one of the legs was broken because of the transportation, so this can happen. In that cases, you can replace this table. So our table is still in the replacement process, but I really love the design. It's of very good quality. I got this table for 6000 rupees. Have to assemble the legs with the top, and that's very easy. They provide the manual and all the screws and all with the table, so that you can easily assemble it. Then the next thing is a chair. I got this chair because I have to do lots of work on my laptop, so I wanted a chair where I don't get backache, and this chair is perfect for this. If you are working from home or if you study at home, I think this chair is perfect for you. 100% recommended. It's very comfortable for the back. Even I bought this for my father also. So guys, this is it for today. I hope you like this haul. This is the first time I am doing any haul. All my reviews are very genuine based on my experience. This video is not at all sponsored, but obviously I am an affiliate member of Amazon, and if you buy through my links, I get some share from the products and you won't be charged anything extra. Definitely I will get some share, but again, each and every review is very genuine because I myself am using these products and I have included only those products which I liked from my online shopping. So if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, share this video, and if you are new to this channel, then first of all please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.